12 women and girls, 97 charges. For almost 20 months, Adam Charles Lusk got away with the crimes that he kept secret, even from some of his victims. But a Perth jury found him guilty of almost all of the 100 charges he faced, which included stupefying in order to commit an offence and sexual penetration without consent. The 45-year-old father of two was a civil engineer who'd started his own real estate firm. But this veneer cracked when he was reported to police and they seized his phone, finding videos of his offences in a folder marked secret. State prosecutor Elizabeth Noonan telling the court he made those recordings because he gained sexual gratification by having sex with unconscious women and girls. The court heard he lured them to his home before spiking their drinks with a sedative-style drug. Some of his victims described having just a few sips before everything went black. That's when Lusk carried out the worst of his offences, which was so confronting the court was closed while those videos were played. Judge Alan Troy urging the jury to seek court-provided counselling after the verdict was handed down. Lusk stood emotionless as the guilty verdicts were read out to a public gallery that included his supporters and family who attended the majority of the 5-week trial, the detective who led the case against him, and those impacted by his crimes. Lusk's defence lawyer, Anthony Elliott, was granted leave to apply for a psychiatric report to be prepared prior to sentencing, suggesting his client's background and time in the armed services may provide some insight on his offending. He's due to return to court on December 20 for sentencing. Rebecca Trigger, ABC News.